Alumina ceramic washer, a precision-machined flat annular spacer made from high-purity aluminum oxide ceramic. These discs are designed to sit between a metal conductor or fastener and its housing, providing a complete electrical break and thermal barrier in assemblies that operate under high voltage, high temperature, or both. In this video, you'll see the dense, uniform aluminum microstructure that gives this simple-looking disc its ability to insulate, isolate, and survive inside furnaces, vacuum chambers, and high-voltage equipment. 5 material properties make high-purity alumina the optimal choice for insulating spacer applications. First, dielectric strength of 13 kV per millimeter under dry conditions, providing a complete electrical break between a metal conductor and its housing through a disc only millimeters thick. Second, thermal stability up to 1600 degrees Celsius, allowing the washer to survive inside furnaces, kilns, and heat treatment chambers where any polymer spacer would vaporize. Third, vacuum compatibility. Alumina outgasses minimally, making these washers suitable for use inside vacuum assemblies and analytical instruments. Fourth, chemical inertness across the full pH range from 1 to 14, with no metal ion contamination of the surrounding assembly. And fifth, dimensional tolerance held to ±0.1 millimeters, ensuring precise clearance and alignment between the conductor and housing across thermal cycles. The washer geometry is defined by 3 dimensions: outer diameter, inner diameter, and thickness, each customizable to your assembly drawing. ADCERAX produces alumina washers with outer diameters from 5 mm up to 150 mm, with inner diameter and thickness matched to your conductor or fastener size. Surface finish options include polished, matte, or lapped on one or both faces, depending on whether the washer serves as a precision sealing surface or a general spacer. Material purity ranges from 96 to 99.7% aluminum oxide. Higher purities deliver stronger dielectric performance for critical high-voltage isolation, while standard grades offer cost-effective insulation for general furnace or lab use. A primary application for alumina ceramic washers is the electrical isolation of sensors, conductors, and feedthroughs inside high-temperature furnace and vacuum assemblies, the kind of environment where metal against metal contact or polymer spacers create problems that alumina quietly solves. Consider a thermocouple installation inside an industrial furnace or vacuum heat treatment chamber. The metal thermocouple sleeve passes through the metal chamber wall, and without an insulating spacer between them, the two metals form a direct electrical path. Any stray current flowing through this path corrupts the thermocouple signal, drifts the temperature reading, and can cause measurement errors that affect the entire process batch. A polymer washer would solve the electrical problem, but it cannot survive the furnace temperature. PTFE melts at 327 degrees Celsius, far below the operating range. An alumina ceramic washer solves both problems simultaneously. With dielectric strength of 13 kV per millimeter, it creates a complete electrical break between the thermocouple sleeve and the chamber housing, eliminating parasitic current paths that cause signal drift. And with thermal stability to 1600 degrees Celsius, it survives inside the furnace cycle after cycle. The ceramic remains dimensionally stable through room temperature to 1400 degrees Celsius thermal cycles, keeping the contact clearance precise and the insulation intact indefinitely. Beyond thermocouples, the same principle applies to heater feedthroughs, high-voltage electrode standoffs, vacuum chamber electrical penetrations, and any assembly where a conductor must pass through a metal housing without electrical contact. In semiconductor vacuum furnaces, analytical instruments, laboratory muffle furnaces, and industrial heat treatment systems, alumina ceramic washers are the standard insulating spacer that keeps the electrical circuit clean and the measurement accurate.